Every day, more than 100 million cups of instant noodles are consumed around the world. We are talking about one of the most popular foods today: cheap, fast, and surprisingly addictive. A product that has saved more dinners than you can imagine. And the thing is, in just 3 minutes, they go from being a simple dry block to a hot meal, ready to eat anywhere. But have you ever wondered how they are actually manufactured? Is it true that they contain risky ingredients like plastic and toxic materials that make us sick? Well, today we will travel directly to China, home to the most gigantic instant noodle factory on the planet. A place where every day, tons of ingredients are transformed into millions of packages ready to reach supermarkets and stores worldwide. So get ready, because you are about to discover how instant noodles are mass-produced. Let's begin. Step 1. The star ingredient. Everything begins with something incredibly simple: wheat. That's right, that same golden grain used to make bread and pasta is also the absolute base of instant noodles. But not just any wheat will do here. To manufacture instant noodles, a very specific variety is used, selected for its exact level of protein, elasticity, and water-absorbing capacity. Because absolutely everything depends on this grain, from the texture to the final flavor of the cooked noodle. The process starts with the arrival of huge trucks loaded with tons of wheat at the factory. In a single industrial plant, more than 500 tons of wheat can be processed per day, an amount sufficient to feed an entire city for weeks. From the trucks, the wheat is unloaded and sent directly to gigantic industrial mills. Authentic mechanical beasts that clean, crush, and refine it until it becomes an ultra-fine and perfectly uniform flour. There is no improvisation here. Before that flour can become noodles, it passes through an extremely strict quality control. Each batch is analyzed to the millimeter by operators and sensors that measure purity, ground grain size, and, above all, the exact gluten level. A small error in this phase could cause the future noodles to break, become soft, or even fall apart upon contact with hot water. For this reason, only the flour that passes all the tests receives the green light and is stored in enormous metal silos, authentic giant towers filled with the white powder that will very soon give life to millions and millions of packages. Step 2. Mixing and creation of the dough. With the flour ready and verified, the time comes to bring it to life. Here begins one of the most important processes in the entire factory: the creation of the base dough that will become millions of noodles. The flour leaves the enormous silos and enters directly into gigantic industrial mixers. Authentic metal tanks where everything is combined with almost scientific precision. And what exactly is added? Surprisingly, very few ingredients, only water, salt, and a small amount of completely safe additives. Nothing else. And here we debunk one of the biggest myths about instant noodles. They do not contain plastic, nor glues, nor toxic substances. The only additives used are acidity regulators and food stabilizers, exactly the same ones used in bread, pasta, or cookies. Their function is very simple: to make the dough more elastic, so the noodles maintain their shape and do not fall apart when you pour hot water on them. Inside these huge mixers, giant mechanical paddles stir everything relentlessly, while digital sensors monitor every detail. To give you an idea of the industrial level, a single production line can create enough dough in 1 hour to manufacture more than 200,000 servings of noodles, an absolutely brutal pace. After several minutes of continuous kneading, the final result is a smooth, elastic, and perfect dough. The base of millions of noodles has been born, and now comes the most visual and spectacular part of the whole process. Step 3. Laminating and cutting. With the dough perfectly ready, one of the most hypnotic processes in the entire factory begins. The mixture leaves the huge kneaders and enters directly into a continuous laminating system, an authentic industrial train of metal rollers that work without rest. Here, something key happens. The dough begins to stretch again and again, passing through giant cylinders that flatten it and gradually transform it into an increasingly thin sheet. Each pass between the rollers reduces its thickness with extreme precision until it reaches the exact thickness an instant noodle should have. When the sheet reaches the perfect size, the moment of cutting arrives. While that enormous sheet of pasta advances at full speed along the belt, powerful cutting machines equipped with high-precision blades transform it into thousands of long, thin strands. In a single production line, more than 50,000 meters of noodles can be cut per hour. It is like manufacturing the equivalent of more than 100 kilometers of noodles every 60 minutes. And right after, something occurs that we all recognize instantly. The famous wavy curl of instant noodles appears. A special system of molds curves the freshly cut noodles as they advance along the line, giving them that characteristic zigzag shape. That pattern is not just aesthetic. It has a key purpose. It allows the noodles to cook much faster, to better absorb the hot water, and for the broth to be distributed uniformly throughout the block. At this point in the process, what was previously just a simple dough of flour and water already begins to look exactly like what we all know when we open a package. But it still lacks several transformations before becoming a finished product. Step 4. Steam cooking. With the noodles already cut and perfectly wavy, there is still one problem. They are still raw dough, and that way they could not be eaten or preserved. That is why they now enter one of the most impressive zones of the entire factory, the gigantic steam cooking tunnels. Thousands of noodle blocks advance on conveyor belts and are introduced into completely closed industrial chambers, where they receive a massive injection of high-temperature steam. This process is fast, precise, and brutally efficient. In just a few minutes, the heat does all the work. Bacteria are eliminated, the texture is fixed, and the noodles are left practically pre-cooked. It is exactly the same principle as when you cook pasta at home, but on a gigantic scale. As they advance through the tunnel, automatic sensors and operators monitor every second of the process. Upon leaving this stage, the noodles officially stop being dough and become a pre-cooked food, ready to take the next big step in their transformation. Step 5. Final frying. At this point, the noodles are already steamed, but they are not yet ready to live for months inside a package. Before that, they need something fundamental to eliminate almost all of their moisture. And to achieve this, ultra-fast frying comes into action. The noodle blocks pass through enormous industrial fryers, where they are submerged for just a few seconds in hot oil at more than 150 degrees. It may sound extreme, but this step is absolutely key for two reasons. First, it almost completely eliminates the water from the noodle. And second, it creates that characteristic porous and spongy texture. That porosity is precisely the great secret of instant noodles. Thanks to it, when you pour hot water on them at home, they rehydrate in a matter of minutes and are ready to eat again almost instantly. Additionally, the oil itself forms a natural protective layer that helps preserve them for months without the need for strange preservatives or weird ingredients. Upon leaving the fryer, the blocks pass through draining and drying systems that remove any excess oil. And at that moment, something key happens. The noodles are now completely ready to become a hot meal. But before leaving the factory, they need to receive their final touch. Step 6. Flavor packets and add-ons. The noodles are ready, but they still lack something absolutely fundamental: the flavor. Because, let's be honest, without that little magic packet, instant noodles would just be dry and tasteless pasta. Here begins a completely parallel production line. In huge specialized rooms, the seasonings that will give personality to each package are manufactured. Large industrial mixers combine with surgical precision: salt, spices, extracts of chicken, beef, seafood, or vegetables, and natural flavor enhancers. Everything is dosed to the milligram, a single gram more or less, and the final flavor would change completely. That is why each recipe is perfectly calculated, tested, and repeated thousands of times, so that all packages taste exactly the same, no matter what part of the world they are manufactured in. But it's not all powder. Many varieties also include small packets of flavored oil. These oils concentrate intense aromas like chili, sesame, soy, or curry, and they are responsible for that final touch that makes the soup have a much deeper and more authentic flavor. Finally, each seasoning is packed into perfectly sealed individual packets, and in a matter of seconds, those packets travel automatically to the main line, where they will join the finished noodles for the first time. Step 7. Packaging and global distribution. With the noodles and flavorings ready, only the last big step remains: converting them into a product ready to reach your kitchen. Everything begins with the formation of the final block. The machines take the processed noodles and compact them into exact portions, creating that famous brick that we all recognize when opening a package. Right after, the packaging line comes into action. Depending on the format, the noodles are placed in cardboard cups, plastic tubs, or perfectly sealed flexible pouches. In a matter of seconds, high-speed robotic arms automatically add the flavor packet, the seasoned oil, and any extra add-ons. Everything is joined with almost surgical precision. Then comes the hermetic sealing. Industrial machines vacuum seal each container, ensuring that the product can be preserved for months, and even years, without losing quality or flavor. After this, the packages are grouped, stacked, and palletized completely automatically. Entire boxes leave the line without pause, ready to start their journey around the world. Trucks, ships, and planes are responsible for distributing them to every corner of the planet. In a matter of days, what started as simple wheat in a field ends up in supermarkets, stores, and vending machines in practically any country. To give you an idea, from the moment the flour enters the factory until a cup of noodles is completely packaged, less than 30 minutes can pass. An absolutely brutal industrial speed. To finish, tell us, did you imagine all this process behind some simple instant noodles? Are you more of a chicken, beef, seafood, or extreme spicy flavor person? Leave us your answer in the comments. And if you liked this tour of the factory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next industrial journey.